Hi y'all. It's been like a week since we hung out and I have samples here, another box of samples here. So I thought I would do a little haul that I've been procrastinating because, as we know, I'm in the process of moving and it's been a bit of a shit show, but I wanted to show you what I got. So the first thing I got was from Medicube, and it is their Age R Booster Pro. It looks like this. And you turn it.
Booster mode, level 1.
Okay. It has a blue light, an orange light, green, red, and purple. And the orange is a radiance booster mode. And it can be used with various types of skincare products and face masks by rolling it on the skin. The green mode can be used with skincare products and face masks to volumize the appearance of fine lines. The Derma Shot, which is the red, can be used with various types of skincare products and face masks to relax facial muscles. And the Air Shot mode, which is the blue light, can be used on dry skin for pore and dead skin cell care. It comes with a little charger. I just got this. I've had it for like a week, but I haven't read much about it. I'm not going to use this yet until I can read more about it. I have seen other people use it. I think my girl Caitlin, I think I saw her use this in a live one, so I'll probably hit her up to ask her opinion or get some advice on how to use this thing. The next thing I got is from Medicube. I got their PDRN Pink Cica Soothing Toner. And so this is like a full size. Oh, heck. I'm probably saying all this wrong. Like, why does the ingredients for skincare have to be so difficult? I haven't even opened that yet. I got 2 face masks. I also got their PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. And then I got their PDRN Pink Hyaluronic Moisturizing Cream. All full-size products, so I have to do a video on that. Wait, I forgot. I also got the PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. You can't really see these because my ring light is so freaking bright right now. I also got the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. Then this is also from Medicube, their Collagen Wrapping Night Mask. I'm very excited to try this. From April Skin, I got their Pink Aloe Pack Cleanser. It's an all-in-one cleanser. Then also from April Skin, I got the Pink Aloe Mucin Serum, 78%. Cutie packaging. I love all this packaging, this cute pink packaging. And then I got the Pink Aloe Toner. I'm going to open some of this up because I want to see, like, I'm a packaging little hoe bag, so let's see what some of this stuff looks like. Stop it right now. Look how freaking cute. So freaking cute. And then I guess you take this off. Oh, what the heck. So cute. And then the last thing I got was from CosRX. It's their No Spot Left Behind. I got this from, I didn't get off of TikTok shop. Everything I just talked about was from there. This one is from Skeepers, which is something else that you can join where you can get products like PR packages. And I got Skincare Words Are Hard, so bear with me. The Alpha Arbutin 2 Discoloration Care. I got this. And then I got the AHA 2 BHA 2 Blemish Treatment. Let me get it out of here. Holy smokes, this is huge. I have to do a completely separate video on this. That's part of the requirements. So I'll do a completely separate video on this. But oh, let's see. Yeah, so that's what I got. Let me open up this one. I just love to see what the packaging looks like. looks like this. So I got all this skincare for free from TikTok Shop and Skeepers. So if you don't know what Skeepers is, if you want me to talk about it, I just started using it not that long ago, and what did I get? The Milk Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer I got from there, and then there was something else. Oh yeah, this mist. I used that in like a get ready video with me like a while back because I've been really slacking on my posting. So I will do a separate video on this, but if you want me to talk about Skeepers, I heard about it from Jen over 40 on here, and I reached out to her a while back and asked her about like how to get PR packages and stuff when I was just first starting out, and she told me about it, and so I applied. You have to have over 1,000 followers, but it's just another way for you to get PR packages. So I hope you enjoyed my little haul, and keep your eye out for a skincare video. Okay, bye.